Global terrorist Hafiz Mohammed Saeed claims that the Jamaat-ud-Dawa is a charity organization that runs 160 schools, 2 universities and several hospitals and dispensaries, not just in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, but across Pakistan. The US has finally seen through this charade and has termed the Jamaat-ud-Dawa a global terrorist organization. 2 top Lashkar-e-Taiba commanders, they are key aides of Hafiz Saeed, they've been designated global terrorists. But the big question remains, will Pakistan's Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif and Pakistan's all-powerful army chief Raheel Sharif act against Hafiz Mohammed Saeed?
After having declared Lashkar-e-Taiba a terror outfit, the US has now added its affiliates including the Jamaat-ud-Dawa to its list of designated terror organizations. Now the question is if the Pakistan government will act against these terror outfits that operate from the territory. The financial and leadership networks of LET have also been targeted, and Nazir Ahmad Chaudhry and Mohammad Hussain Gill have been designated as specially designated global terrorists. The US has also added that LET was responsible for the terror attack at the Indian consulate in Herat. In the past, LET has claimed responsibility for the November 2008 terrorist attack in Mumbai that killed nearly 200 people and injured more than 300. Now that the US has officially designated the Jamaat-ud-Dawa as a terrorist outfit, what remains to be seen is whether the Pakistani establishment has the will to act against these terror outfits and its leader Hafiz Saeed, or will they continue to turn a blind eye to these terror organizations? Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
The writing is on the wall. Is Pakistan willing to act against a strategic ally, Hafiz Mohammed Saeed and his terror inc, the JUD? Joining me on the broadcast from Islamabad is Sadia Khan. She is the leader and spokesperson of the ruling party, Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz. Also on the show, Major General G.D. Bakshi, former counterinsurgency force, Romeo Force commander in J&K. With me in the studio is Ambassador Rajiv Dogra, India's former Consul General in Karachi and a leading Pakistan expert. Before we patch that line to Sadia Khan in Islamabad, Ambassador, I'd like you to tell us, what does this mean? Foreign terrorist organization, JUD, and 2 Lashkar commanders being termed as global terrorists. What does this mean?
Well, firstly, let me tell your viewers that this is not a new sudden development. This has been in the works for quite some time, and in fact in October last year, the Finance Minister of India and Finance Minister of the Secretary of Treasury of USA, they met in Washington. And there, if you see the statement issued by them, one para clearly states the intention of both the countries to act against individuals and organizations which are laundering money, which are pushing.
One thing is to say that they will act. The question remains, will they act? Will they act? General Bakshi, you've seen Pakistan Army, you've seen Pakistan Army strategic ally Lashkar-e-Taiba. Will Pakistan act against these terrorist organizations?
You know, Gaurav, the Pakistan Army has been deliberately cultivating the Lashkar-e-Taiba as a strategic, asset against its primary enemy, primary adversary, India. Now, for anybody to hope that they will act against them after all this pressure is, I think, a very naive hope. Pakistan has very deliberately nurtured these pit vipers in the fond hope that they will bite only its enemies and adversaries.
Ambassador Dogra, you've been posted in Pakistan. You've been posted in Pakistan. You've seen the Pakistan Army. You've seen terrorist organizations like Lashkar-e-Taiba. Despite 2611, Pakistan did not act against Hafiz Mohammed Saeed. He claims Jamaat-ud-Dawa is a charity organization, and post that Kashmir earthquake, they were seen as doing charity. UN, according to Hafiz Saeed, has recognized that charity and has given them funds. Saudi Arabia has given them funds. How does one curb this multi-hydra-headed monster called Hafiz Saeed and Jamaat-ud-Dawa?
Well, Pakistan is obviously adopting double standard. It has one set of rules for terrorists who organize terror against its own citizens. For example, just last week, 100 of Pakistani mullahs have issued a fatwa against Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan because they are attacking Pakistani citizens. So the fatwa says that anyone who fights TTP is engaging in a rightful jihad because TTP is killing innocent men, women and children. So obviously in their book, if a Pakistani man, woman or child is killed, then it should be a jihad against anyone killing them. But if an Indian, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh or Christian child, woman or man is killed, then it does not bother them. So we are dealing with a country that is adopting double standard. Hillary Clinton repeated it recently, and we should not expect anything from them, but they expect everything from other countries.
No, but what should India do now that the US has banned the Jamaat-ud-Dawa, now that two key Lashkar commanders have been called global terrorists? General Bakshi, you know, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh was seen as someone who was desperate to go to Pakistan, desperate to improve ties with Pakistan. But Narendra Modi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi doesn't come with any such baggage. What is it that India should expect of Pakistan now that these are the conditions you fulfill and only then it will be business as usual?
You know, the Pakistanis keep telling us that their courts do not see what the whole world is seeing so clearly and transparently. The Lashkar-e-Toiba, despite its many changes of name, is a primary terrorist organization of South Asia. It is responsible for the recent attack on Herat on 23rd of May, you know, against our consulate. And the fact is that the intelligence agencies of all the major powers involved are now quite clear who has done this. There is evidence once again in terms of their radio and their telephone intercepts of the ISI guiding this attack, and that is what has also provoked the United States to ban them. As far as what we can do, you know, Pakistan claims that it is not in a position to deal with the terrorists which are there. It claims to be a victim. It has a narrative of victimhood about terrorism, which is rather selective, as I entirely agree with Ambassador Dogra. It's a very selective
and sadly,
narrative
many in
of
India
victimhood.
buy that
We are the
argument.
victims
Many
of
in
terror.
India buy that argument. What is it that India should do? Pakistan may be a victim of its own sponsored terror, but as long as Pakistan doesn't act against Hafiz Saeed, Ambassador Dogra, India should insist it cannot be business as usual. Is that the road ahead?
Well, absolutely. But let me go back to that Washington meeting and the joint statement which was issued by the two finance ministers. They identified very clearly JUD, LET and the Haqqani network as the organizations which are indulging in all kinds of terror and terror financing operations. America has done its part. It has named, identified JUD as well as Lashkar-e-Taiba and 3 other organizations as well as 2 individuals. It is now up to India to tell the world that yes, we also feel that JUD, Hafiz Saeed and his lieutenants are really a threat to India, and we also designate them as global terrorists. That's the first step that India must take. The second and other steps, obviously you can't discuss over television debate, but I think the time has come for India also to demonstrate.
Let me quickly go across to Islamabad where Sadia Khan now joins us. Sadia Khan, you're a member of the ruling party in Pakistan. The US has designated the Jamaat-ud-Dawa a terrorist organization. Will your country act against Hafiz Mohammad Saeed and JUD at least now, ma'am?
Thank you so much for calling me today. Listen, one thing, as America has banned them, but they have not intimated us through diplomatic channels so far. So until unless we will not be receiving any intimation from them via diplomatic channel, we can't take any action against them.
Ma'am, a clerk could say something like that and you could buy that argument. A clerk. But a state like Pakistan, that itself is a victim of terror, would it not want to take proactive measures? A terrorist like Hafiz Mohammad Saeed, a terrorist organization like Jamaat-ud-Dawa, like Lashkar-e-Taiba, in this age of international global communication, you know the US has done it.
Sorry, can you please repeat your question?
Why is it that Pakistan will not take proactive action, ma'am?
Sorry.
Okay, explain this to me. Sadia Khan, can you hear me? I'd like you to explain this to viewers of Headlines Today in India. The US State Department says Jamaat-ud-Dawa is a foreign terrorist organization. Your Chief Minister of Punjab, Shahbaz Sharif, gives state aid, state funds to Jamaat-ud-Dawa run schools. Doesn't this mean that Pakistan directly funds terror, ma'am?
Listen one thing, we are not funding and we are not providing any funds to any terrorist organization in Pakistan. Jamaat-ud-Dawa has been cleared from courts of Pakistan as a charity organization which is working for welfare of people in Pakistan. We have not received any clue, any evidence against them in Pakistan, although they are working for IDPs who are displaced due to war against terror, who are the communities which are vulnerable in North Waziristan and different areas of KPK. So they are working for their betterment, for their charity, for their welfare, and whosoever funding them, they have provided them money for betterment of people, not for terrorism. This is only like just like accusing our government. There is nothing like that. Plus one more thing, nobody else, no country, not India, neither Pakistan, no other country have to decide about fate of Pakistan, about terrorism here.
Ma'am, explain this to us. If India was saying Hafiz Mohammad Saeed is a terrorist, you could have said it's propaganda. United States says that. United Nations says that. Recently, Afghanistan's President Hamid Karzai visited India. He gave me an interview. He said Lashkar-e-Taiba is behind the attack on Indian consulate in Herat. Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jamaat-ud-Dawa are based in Pakistan. Your land, your country is used to sponsor terror in this entire region. Why would you not act against them?
This is only a blame on us. This is very sorry to say, this is a blame on us. There is nothing like that. And India, Afghanistan and America, nobody can tell us that what we have to do. We are independent nation. We have civilian government, elected government in Pakistan. When we'll be providing some solid evidence about or against them, so we'll be taking action definitely. As we have seen the terrorist attack on Karachi airport, we have abandoned all the talks which were on board with Taliban and with other organizations, and we have taken immediate action against them, and we are having operation in North Waziristan.
So why this multiple policy? Why do you have one policy towards Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan and the other policy towards Jamaat-ud-Dawa? Why can't you act against both terrorist organizations?
India have been accusing Hafiz Saeed about this terrorist attack in Bombay, but still they have not provided any strong evidence against him. Still India has failed to provide any evidence.
What evidence do you have that TTP attacked Karachi airport? Why are you taking action against TTP?
I can't hear you.
Why are you taking action against TTP?
I told you 2 or 3 times that we have not provided any solid evidence against them.
No. Have you any evidence against TTP?
In Pakistan.
Okay.
Tehreek-e-Taliban, Lashkar-e-Taiba is already banned in Pakistan.
Only in name.
But
only
America
in name.
has banned
they are flourishing across Pakistan.
America have to intimate us properly through diplomatic channel about their action against them.
Then
but
what action will you take,
that they have banned these organizations, and America will not any property or
when America tells you, what would you do?
Sorry?
What action, the general is asking, what action will you take against Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jamaat-ud-Dawa?
We are taking action. Listen one thing, we are taking action against those who were accused and against whom we have evidence. We have proofs of their terrorism, their terrorist attacks on different areas of Pakistan. We are taking action against them. But still India is accusing Jamaat-ud-Dawa and Hafiz Saeed, but still they have not provided any evidence against them.
Ma'am, I'm not talking about India. I am talking about the United States of America, and I hold with me this document, and let me read it out to you. This is amendment to terrorist designations of Lashkar-e-Taiba, This is office of the spokesperson in Washington, D.C.
Then America, listen one thing, then America, if America has banned them, then America have to inform us through proper diplomatic channel.
And then what will
They
you
have
do?
banned them in... we'll take action against them, we'll make policy against them, and we'll definitely handle the issue according to our foreign policy with negotiations with them and other factors, and other will involve army, will involve other agencies in that, and
Excuse
will
me, if
definitely
America
take action
informs you
against them.
through diplomatic channels, then you will take action. We have given you 9,000 pages of documents on 26/11, but you refuse to take action.
I don't know about that. I don't know about that document, and I don't know about these clauses and
Complete dossiers
numbers
have
of
been
that
given,
document
ma'am.
about.
This is strange.
I don't know. I don't know about your source of taking that document, so I can't comment on that unless I have not seen that document, and my
Madam,
party
based
and my
upon
leadership
that-
and people of Pakistan have not seen that document.
No, they have. They have.
just
Those
on
are
papers, like,
documents
it's just
that
like
have
that you
officially
can go
been
and,
handed over by Government of India to Government of Pakistan. And you're a spokesperson for the ruling party of Pakistan. You know, explain this to me.
Ajmal
Your Prime Minister,
Amir
Nawaz
Qasem.
Sharif, insists you will crack down on terror. And as you've rightly pointed out, you've launched an operation against terrorists in Waziristan. Yet, despite the ban, JUD even today in Pakistan's Punjab, JUD was collecting funds. How long will Pakistan continue to run with the hare and hunt with hounds?
I told you about
ma'am?
Jamaat Dawa has been cleared from court of Pakistan. There was no evidence against their terrorist activities in country. They are working for welfare of people, working for betterment of people, for IDPs and for rehabilitation of them. Until unless we will not be getting
may
any
I
evidence
comment?
against them, how can we take
You
action
must,
against
General,
them?
if this is Pakistan's attitude, why should India even talk to Pakistan?
No. You
Precisely.
cannot connect
You know,
all these
the
things
madam-
about talks with India and Pakistan. This is not the matter you have to attach with peace talks and any other negotiations or talks with foreign office of both
Madam,
countries.
as
Madam,
long
you bleed
as...
us.
This
Your
is not
country
the
Madam,
bleeds
can I
us day
kindly,
in and day out.
as long as you have people like Hafiz Saeed spewing venom against our country, threatening to attack us, you know, and then orchestrating
So why
attacks.
don't
Please
you
don't
come
forget,
forward
madam,
and give-
that Ajmal Amir Qasem was a Pakistani citizen.
Why don't
Your
you
own
come
Geo
forward and
TV
give
channel
evidence?
has gone to town with it. Madam, evidence
Then
is being
India should
provided.
come
You know, the
forward
legal
and
sector.
provide
Madam, can I have my say,
incriminating
please?
evidence.
Madam, can I?
India should come
If you will
forward and
kindly
provide.
permit me.
India is just accusing Hafiz
Madam,
Saeed
we
for
have
terrorism in their
provided,
country,
we have
but
given
still,
you
I will say
dossiers.
India is failed
We
for
have given
providing
you
any
dossiers
evidence.
on Hafiz Saeed. We have given you dossiers on Hafiz Saeed, Zakiur Rahman Lakhvi and many other operatives. The fact is that the legal courts of all the countries in the world, civilized countries, try and cooperate. Not only has this come up in Indian courts, it has also come up in American courts, where, you know, Dawood Gilani, aka David Headley, has given evidence in American courts. You don't believe you don't trust the Indian courts. Can you at least listen to the American courts? They are supposed to be your allies. But you don't listen to them. They have just designated them as a
Listen,
terrorist
no other
organization.
country,
Hafiz
no other
Saeed and
country has to
Jamaat
decide
Dawa.
what we have to do.
Precisely, you
No
have to
other
decide
country has
what
to
you have to
decide what we
do.
have
These
to do.
terrorists are killing
Not
you.
India.
It's a
Right
cancer
to
that is
kill
killing you,
citizens
and
of
yet you
other
spread terror, ma'am. Yet
Madam,
your
you have
country
no
spreads
right
terror.
to get
take our
citizens of
decisions.
other countries killed. I mean, what right have you got,
What is it like
Pakistan,
that?
what divine
Pakistan
right
is
to
already
kill
paying,
women and children in
Pakistan
India?
is already paying price of this terrorism in the country. Our airports are not safe. Our innocent people are not safe. We are suffering from very bad law and
Madam,
order situations, but we are
madam,
handling them.
Madam,
And
if
we
you-
are taking
if
we
you-
are taking action
if you
against them.
follow
We are
pit
having
vipers and
operation in
snakes
North
in your
Waziristan.
house,
We are
Madam,
we have
madam, can I
lost
just,
our son of our
if
souls,
you-
only son of their parents.
I
in this
agree with you,
operation.
madam, but
And
if
yet
you,
you spread
There is
terror.
no evidence
if you
of our
nurture
action against
snakes
them.
in your house,
You
do
and
you
any
expect
other
not to be
country like
bitten by
Afghanistan,
them?
America, they can't decide. They can't feel our pain, which we are feeling in this country. We are suffering, our kids
Madam,
are
I'm
suffering, our
very
youth
sorry
is
to
suffering,
say,
our nation is
I'm
suffering.
very sorry to say your victim, your narrative of victimhood does not, gel very well with the rest of the world, because you have
Listen, I don't
created
want to
these
go to the
terrorist
point of that there was
organizations.
a
You have
foreign hand in
nurtured
all
these
these things and
terrorist
they were backing up all these
organizations.
terrorism in Pakistan. I don't
Madam,
want to
if
go to that
Sadly,
point.
Pakistan
But I'm just
refuses to
challenge
see
you,
the
we are
writing
having
on the
operation.
wall.
in your
We
house.
are having
You expect
operation
not
in
There
North
is no
Waziristan,
denying the fact,
and it will
Sadia
be
Khan, General
continued
Bakshi and
until
Ambassador
unless we
Dogra,
will
there
have
is
a
no denying
single
the fact that Pakistan
terrorist
is
in
the
that
victim
area
of
all
its
over the
own
country.
sponsored terror. Sadly, it is also a fact, despite that Pakistan continues to sponsor terror, not just in India, but also an Indian interest in Afghanistan, and
I'm very
continues
sorry
to
to
harm
listen this,
Afghanistan's
I'm very
interests.
sorry to
We
listen
hope
this.
the message,
You are just
Sadia Khan, that you
accusing us
take
for
to your
nothing.
Prime Minister is that enough is enough, and it is in Pakistan's interest to act against terror. At least
Definitely. Our Prime Minister also says this is enough, and that's why we are having operation in North Waziristan.
Also have an operation in Punjab and Pakistan occupied Kashmir then.
Terrorist in Pakistan.
Also, ma'am, it is high time you have an
We will
operation
have
in
a single
Pakistan occupied
terrorist in
Kashmir
Pakistan, no
against
matter
Hafiz
that
Mohammed
terrorist
Saeed
belongs
in
to
Punjab,
Pakistan
in
or any
Bahawalpur
other
against
country.
Jaish-e-Mohammed.
We'll be taking
I've run out of
action
time on
against
this
them. We'll
debate.
be
I've run
fighting
out of
for this
time, but this is
war,
one story
and
we'll
all
be
the
tracking very
nation is
closely.
standing with
Will
this
Pakistan act against Hafiz Mohammed Saeed or not? That is all that I have time for on the broadcast.